Hi, everyone. Welcome. My name is Raina Oliker. I'm the manager of the Colorado Green Business Network, and I'm here today to show you a little bit about GreenBiz Tracker, which is the software that we use to manage the applications for the Colorado Green Business Network. So if you're applying for technical assistance, if you want support, if you want to sign up for our newsletter, and if you want recognition, you'll be using this software that I'm about to show you to navigate all of those options and to let us know what you want us to reach out to you about. So let's get started. This is GreenBiz Tracker, the website that we use for all of our software, our programming, our outreach. And this is the registration page. So when you first sign on to GreenBiz Tracker for the first time, you're going to click up here where it says sign up to be a green business, and you're going to move through the registration process. So when you click get started, you're going to see some questions. We're having you create an account with us that you'll be able to use to access your application in the future. We have some business information. If you are planning to sign up for a multiple site certification, meaning you're using multiple locations, for right now, just enter the headquarters or the primary facility that you're going to be using. And then you're just answering a couple questions about the business. So if you don't have some of this information on hand, please feel free to skip it. You can always come back to it later. This is just to get an initial feel for your business. And then once you fill out this registration form, you're going to go ahead and submit, and it'll log you in. If you already have an account, you're going to go right to the login screen, and you'll be able to just click login and sign in that way. So now that we're all logged in, you can see the overview tab, which is the page that you'll always start in when you first log into an account. Up at the top here, you can see our primary location. If you do have multiple locations and you want to submit multiple applications, one for each facility that you have, you would go ahead and click this new location, and then this would become a drop-down menu. So that's how you navigate between different locations. If you're just doing one location, or if you're doing multiple site certification, which means that you're using one account for multiple facilities, this is what you have to work with. So right up at the top, you have a welcome. There is a link to our technical manual here, which gives you more information about the recognition application, if that's something that you're interested in. And we also have a link to our main website and our deadline for all of our paperwork every year, which is June 30th. It'll also tell you where you are in your process. So here you can see for our test account, which is for our Cherry Creek campus, which is our office space here at the state. We are in process, and we finished 3 of 4 surveys. So you can see exactly where you're at, and you can click Start Level, or you can navigate directly to the Surveys tab. A couple of the other tabs up at the top here are the Profile tab. This is what you use to create a business profile that, once you get recognized in our program, launches and is publicly available on the GreenBiz Tracker website. We also have a Reports tab, which is for other tools that you might want to use. It's not a part of our program directly. It's just extra resources that are offered, like some support through greenhouse gas inventory programs and reports, things like that. So we're going to go right now to the Surveys tab, and we're going to start there. Once you jump into the Surveys tab, you're going to see that it loads all of the surveys tied to our recognition program. So the welcome survey, this is what we would love for you to fill out, even if you're just planning to try and get technical support, you're not interested in recognition. This gives us a lot of information about what you've done previously, what experience you have with sustainability so far, and also what you're looking for and looking to get out of our program, so that when we reach out to you, we really know what to focus on. After that, we have our 3 recognition applications. And you can see here they're called Recognition Application Survey 1 of 3, 2 of 3, and 3 of 3. So these are the surveys that you'll fill out if you're interested in applying for application, which has a due date of June 30th each year. And if you are planning to do that, you're just going to start with the first one, and you can start with policy and leadership. You're going to click Do and Update.